Hello guys! How are you today? I hope you are safe and strong. By the way, thank you for visiting my channel. I truly appreciate it. Without further ado, we will head on to our recipe for today. This avocado corn salad is a bright and feel-good salad that's loaded with vibrant corn, creamy avocado, cherry tomatoes, and the dressing gives it an amazing fresh flavor. This is a crowd-pleasing freshness of corn salad that always disappears fast. Here are the ingredients. For the salad, we will need 4 cups corn kernels, can be fresh, canned, or thawed from frozen. 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved. 1/4 cup red onion, finely diced. 1 bell pepper chopped. 1 avocado chopped. And you can also add cucumber. This is optional, as you please. 1/3 cup olive oil. 1/4 cup lemon juice. 1 tablespoon honey. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1 teaspoon cumin. Salt and pepper to taste. And also 1/3 cup cilantro leaves chopped. So basically, we will place the corn kernels, cherry tomatoes, red onion, bell pepper, and avocado in a large bowl. And then the dressing, in a smaller bowl, we will whisk together the olive oil, lemon juice, honey, paprika, cumin, salt, pepper, and cilantro. And next, we will pour the dressing over the corn mixture and toss gently to coat. And here you go, our crowd-pleasing deliciousness avocado corn salad. Enjoy!